This is the new limited edition Radiant Artifacts LED wristwatch. As you can see, it displays the time using multicolor LEDs. So the inner ring is the hours, so it is 4 o'clock. The outer ring is minutes, so it just changed to 4:35, and it will blink up to 4 times before it gets to 4:40. So it also has a flashlight function. If I hold the center button, it wakes up and you can adjust the brightness of the flashlight. With this, it gets pretty bright. I find that pretty handy when I come home at night to unlock my door. And most of the time it spends asleep and turned off, and it conserves battery this way, and it lasts about a year with a CR2450 coin cell. So you can hold the outer 2 buttons to make adjustments to it. So now we're adjusting the hours. With this, left to right to change, center to confirm. Left, right to change minutes, and center will confirm. But you have to press it 60 times to go around the ring, right? That's how that works. Confirm. And now we can adjust the rate of time. So this is a calibrated device. It is super precise. And before I ship it, I say, hey, if this clock is running fast, I can make a very minute adjustment with that and make sure it always stays on time. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in the watch. I'll start by removing the strap. Take that off. Just like that. Set that aside. Now the bottom is pretty interesting because this watch is activated by pushing buttons on the front, but you don't want to push the circuit board through. It still needs to be retained, but removable. This lip holds this disc in place, this lip and this lip. I'll remove it by taking my screwdriver right in that gap and prying out. Just like that. And then the watch comes straight out. Okay. And then, let's see, I'll use this screwdriver and push on it that way to pop the battery the rest of the way out. You can see the edges, it's not a complete circle. It has little flats to keep it from rotating. And it doesn't matter which orientation you pick as far as those flats go, as long as the flats go in their grooves. And then this piece that I took out here, it's rotationally the same, but this side has little, you can see that has reliefs for the solder pads so that it can fit. And this side has a taper for your wrist. Just line it back up, squeeze it in. Very good. And that was a CR2450 size watch battery, by the way. That should last a year. So this is not a process you have to do very often.